Always follow your dreams, take care of yourself, and do it now. Start doing it now. There's no better time than now. Directing and filming is an evolving art. That means it depends a lot on technology, new cameras, new techniques, new software. These are things that you always got to keep yourself updated, because you never know when the next software or camera that will give you the best solution for what you do might come up. So you always got to be updated. To be a successful director, you have to learn how to observe life. You have to learn how to analyze people. You have to learn how to look at situations and understand how you can bring the feeling of that situation onto the lens. It sounds a bit vague, I know, but the director is basically, the name says it itself, director. He's the person, or she is the person that controls everyone, tells everyone what to do. So it's the director's vision, whatever project they're doing. So you got to have that clear in your head. Always remain true to your vision. Don't let anybody else define your value. How many hours I work? Well, that's a huge question. I don't count the hours anymore, and maybe that's because I do something that I love. But I can say at least 12 to 14 hours on average a day. That's how much I work. And but when you do something that you love, you don't even feel it. My daily routine involves a lot of hours of working. I could be working 12 to 14 hours a day, but I don't feel it because it's something that I love. Even when you're filming a music video, sometimes music videos, the actual filming can go all the way up to 24 or even 26 hours straight. You have to be willing to put in the work, put in the effort, and stay on the game all the time if you want to be successful in whatever you do. And that also includes directing. It's I don't think anybody can be successful in everything. Everybody has their calling, everybody has a specific talent in a specific area. But if directing or filming is what you want to do, then go for it. This is the best time. Cameras are cheap, laptops are cheap, software is easy to access. It's not like what it used to be. It's very easy for anybody to get into filming and get their hands dirty immediately.